Hi everyone. So today I'm here to give a presentation of our project. So our project is NOSTR WATCH. We are a live streaming platform built on NOSTR and Lightning networks. So before start, I'm going to introduce myself and my co-founders. So my name is Ija. I'm a software engineer in blockchain and smart contracts. So I started working on crypto and blockchain 8 years ago. So starting with Bitcoin tradings and later smart contracts on Ethereum. Myself, I'm also an active developer on NOSTR the applications. I have over 15 years experience in software development. We have also another co-team member, Sherry. So she's not with us today, but he's not in here. She's an active community member of NOSTR Hong Kong Meetup. And she's also a key influencer in NOSTR Chinese community. Our project just won the first prize in the Lightning Hackathon in the Indonesia Bitcoin conference. So here is what we are doing. So we are building a decentralized live streaming application on top of the NOSTR protocol and Lightning network. So compared to existing products, the core concept of NOSTR Watch is two-way streaming. So what is two-way streaming? Audience stream stats to the broadcaster, while the broadcaster stream live pictures to the audience. So we call this concept value for value, and this is also accepted in most crypto community. So why building this on NOSTR? There is few reasons. First, we believe Bitcoin asset and the ecosystem are getting more and more attention, especially in the next year, the halving years Bitcoin, people will pay more attention on the ecosystem here. Second, we want to build something fun on Bitcoin. I think NOSTR and Lightning Networks is the perfect mix of building application for the Bitcoin ecosystem. We know there is no smart contract for Bitcoin ecosystem, but NOSTR, it is a decentralized message exchange layer where we can build application on it. And the last reason, the NOSTR, we already have some social media user on it. So when we launch the product, we're getting the first batch of the user from NOSTR because there's only a social media, we need more applications to play with it. So why it's value for value? So there is few rules. First, swap the money with detailed context. Exactly, you get the content from your swap, and it must be a direct payment. Let's talk about the current live streaming platform. If the viewers, the audience, paying tips to the broadcaster, to the content creator, they're actually getting a huge cut from the platform. This usually taking 50% of the revenue coming from the audience. But with NOSTR and Lightning Network, we can have a decentralized manner for the content value swapping, where the user, the audience, directly pay the content creator for valuing his content. So this is the reason we build NOSTR Watch. We want these people, we want this content creator to earn Bitcoin, to earn sats, without having the cost of this centralized platform like YouTube, like TikTok, like Twitch. We already seen something in the Bitcoin community and the crypto space. For example, Fortune, I think they're also here today, but none of these are providing tools for the video creators. So our vision is creating a decentralized platform for video creators for live streaming to do value sharing. So here is the technical solution. We are mixing NOSTR and Lightning Network. We're using Lightning Network and Bitcoin for the instant payment. This is for later streamers getting rewards from audience. The NOSTR protocol will be used for first personal identity. Every broadcaster will have their NOSTR identity here, and this can be shared with their social media like Damos. And it's a centralized message exchange, so it means that it's anti-censorship. It's for freedom of speech. Everyone can share any content here in a way of like live streaming. So here is our three core concepts. First, two-way streaming. Second, decentralized discovery directly. And the last is the decentralized content delivery network. Let me explain that one by one. So first, two-way streaming. Actually, this is not a new concept. If you have read the book of Mastering Bitcoin, we are talking about in a case, there will be someone that is holding a website, so he directly streams sets for the video website and getting video content in return of that. So if someone stops sending sets, then there will be no video pictures, no video stream back to you. So we want to make this concept to come true, so we build it on the NOSTR and Lightning Network. Here is basically how we make it. On the right-hand side, there is a broadcaster. So he is keep pushing video stream to the streaming station, which is a local, which is a computer software that running their local clients. And this will encrypt their video content in a way that we can distribute to the CDN network. So Veo is keep pulling the encrypted video content from this network and keep using the NOSTR layer for getting the private key of decrypting these video contents. So they need to pay via the Lightning Network in order to get such decryption key for the video content. And the video is then decrypted on the viewer's end. So in this way, if the viewer stop paying, the broadcaster have the rights to stop sending new keys for decrypting video content. Next, we need a front end or website for people to discover contents on NOSTR. So in this way, we're using the decentralized discovery mechanism. So every streamer broadcaster, they can send their stream announcement to NOSTR relay, while everyone can build a website for getting information from this relay and present them in a kind of a user-intuitive way. So the website is assembling all the streaming data and then show to the user. Last, we also have a concept of decentralized CDN. So this is making a network for everyone. It's a crowdsourced network for forwarding the live streaming video segments because this is a decentralized setup. So we also need a way to distribute the video content, which is not like some small data of messages that exchange on the NOSTR network. So people can also join this network to earn such sets because the broadcaster needs to pay the network for the bandwidth fee. So here is all. This is the closed loop system. The streaming station is where you can send out the video clips and it's running on your own computer. The CDN nodes, this can be a decentralized network and it's permissionless and self-announcing. NOSTR Relay, Bitcoin, and Lightning Network, they are already centralized, and we're using NOSTR Relay for the event layer for sending such live events. And Bitcoin, Lightning Network, this is used for the payment. The video front end can be also decentralized because they all only need to relay on the NOSTR relays, and they can just pull data, present them into a in a user-friendly way. Last, let's talk about tokenomics. So first, sets will be the common currency on NOSTR Watch. So all the broadcasters here and sets. So the audience just pay sets. If no sets paying out, then no video coming in. Decentralized CDN, they also earn sets. Besides that, we also want to launch an incentive token as well. So we call this the platform token. We are still thinking a name of it, but the main purpose of this is that it will be an incentive token for the user activity. So for example, if you are making broadcasting, all the user activity on the NOSTR Watch will receive this token for reward. So if you are familiar about DeFi mining, you can think about this is a user activity mining, a live streaming mining. So this is the concept. And the last broadcaster, they can also issue and distribute their token to audience as well. So this is like a fan token. If you have been playing with the friend.tech, people buying your key and they're selling it for a higher price because of the reputation getting higher, something like that. So we are also trying to have this concept, but using Lightning Network and NOSTR in a more faster and costless way. So currently we are thinking about this token should be Tarum asset because we believe this is a new era that could open a new space for getting the Bitcoin assets. And this token may be also able to interact with some asset exchange on NOSTR later. So here is the current progress status. Actually, we have a very, very early product. We just started 1 month before. And now we are in active development. So we are going to launch the MVP within roughly 1 month and invite our first batch of users, including some Bitcoin educators from 5 countries. For the fundraising, currently we are self-funded, and I think soon later we are going to seek for a round of fundraising. We're inviting some VCs who have sharing the same vision of us for taking an opportunity in this product. And here's some user interface. Is just like basically the web front end. We can see live streaming. And here's also some interface we are building. Okay, so that's all. So if you want to get connected with us, the left-hand side QR code is my Telegram. You can directly talk to me. And the right-hand side is our Twitter, NOSTR WATCH Live. And we are going to send some updates on the Twitter. Thanks, everyone.